On day 4, we took a bolt to see the temple of Hagar Quim. Hagar Quim is a temple complex dating back thousands of years BC. When you get to the site, you first walk through a little museum exhibit. Adrian really enjoyed this part where you build your own temple with foam bricks. After the museum, you walk outside to see the first temple, Hagar Quim. The megalithic temple complex is estimated to be even older than Stonehenge. From the first temple, you walk downhill to see the Megalithic temple. We walked all the way back uphill to the museum to order a bolt to get to the Playmobil fun park. When you get to the fun park, the kids get a basket full of Playmobil figures, and then they can just play with all the toys in the park. The fun park also included a little outdoor playground. From the fun park, we went back to the coast to see the Blue Grotto. The Blue Grotto is very touristy, lots of boats go to the grotto, but because there are so many tourists, we still had to wait a long time to get on a boat. Yes.
Say, look at this water.
Yeah, beautiful water.
Or they call it the Blue Grotto, huh? Beautiful water.
The Blue Grotto. Window game. A white sand. A white sand. There are swimming for gay.
Careful with your head.
I knew you'd see one. Ooh.
We took a boat back to Rabat, where we had dinner just around the corner from our apartment.